Hey everyone, Rui Brother here. So I just checked my YouTube studio and honestly I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. We just hit 50 hours of watch time on this channel, and I know that might not sound like much compared to bigger channels, but for me this is absolutely huge. That's 50 hours that you guys spend watching me play games, mess around and just be myself. That's over 2 full days of content that people actually wanted to watch, and that's all because of you. When I started this channel, I honestly didn't know if anyone would care. I was just somebody who loves gaming and wanted to share that with people. I remember uploading my first video and refreshing the view count every 5 minutes, like, come on, someone, anyone. And now 50 hours, 25 subscribers who actually hit that button and said, yeah, I want to see more of this. That actually means everything to me. I want to give a massive shout out to every single one of you who clicked on one of my videos, stuck around for more than 30 seconds, left a comment, and even if it was just GG, shared my content with a friend, or just gave me a chance. Whether you've been here since video 1 or you just found me yesterday, thank you, seriously. Now this is just the beginning. I've got so much more planned for this channel, more Phasmophobia, more gaming content. And honestly, I'm just getting started figuring out what kind of creator I want to be. I'm learning editing, I'm improving my setup, and most importantly, I'm having fun doing this. And as long as you guys are enjoying it, I'm going to keep going. Next milestone, let's hit 100 hours of watch time and 50 subscribers. I know we can do it. Every view counts. Every minute you spend watching helps me get closer to that 4,000 hours I need for monetization. But honestly, right now I'm not even thinking about monetization. I'm thinking about this community we are building together, one video at a time. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss when I go live or drop a new video. And if you really want to support this channel, just watch. That's it, watch the videos and let's grow together. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for 50 hours. Here's to 50 more and then 500. And who knows, maybe one day 5,000. This is Rudy Brother, and let's see you in the next one.